Welcome to Frederick Community College, where your healthcare journey begins. Our innovative programs offer hands-on training and a strong foundation for your future. Our nursing program prepares you to provide compassionate, high-quality care through hands-on learning and expert instruction. You'll train in state-of-the-art simulation labs and gain real-world experience for success in any healthcare setting.
Here in the nursing program, you have real-time vital signs. You have mannequins that do all of these physiological things. They sweat, they cough. We've practiced injections that feel pretty real. The spaces they're terrific.
We're very lucky to have an educational organization close to home. Over the last, I would say, 4 years, we've hired over 50% of that graduating class from FCC to become nurses within our organization.
FCC's respiratory care program prepares you to support patients facing breathing challenges throughout the lifespan. With expert faculty and real-world training, you'll gain skills to make a difference across hospital, clinic, and home settings.
FCC has all the different types of equipment that I use today. It is amazing. The fact that we had these and actually got to be hands-on definitely got me ready to go out there and do my clinicals in these hospitals. We are on the front lines, saving people's lives. Hearing that thank you so much, you helped me, you saved my family member's life. It's pretty much why I went into healthcare.
Step into the operating room with confidence through our surgical technology program. In just 1 year, you'll be ready to assist in surgeries, support healthcare teams, and ensure patient safety. Get hands-on training and become a vital part of life-saving procedures starting day one.
Their lab space is an OR. As time went by, I started to see it's deeper than that, and there's this connection between the science, the care, the practice, and just overall healing. The way that they handled things, it was very artistic, it was very organized, it flowed. And I think that's why I liked the operating room. Just having that level of just comfort in all of these different disease processes, and then being able to act on it in that moment, I find to be just amazing.
Our physical therapist assistant program prepares you to help patients recover, regain mobility, and improve their quality of life through hands-on, evidence-based techniques. Learn the skills to make a real difference, empowering patients to gain independence and well-being.
Our lab is very interactive. It helps us be very hands-on with each other, and that's the best way that we learn. We can't learn if we're not in an environment that enables us to do exactly what we do in real life. When I graduate, I'll have a degree as a physical therapist assistant, and I'll be able to treat real patients out in clinics, hospitals, or nursing home, or just about anywhere else. And I'll be able to make a real difference and empower them and really take control of their health.
A health science AS degree offers a strong foundation for careers in healthcare, community wellness, and fitness. Specialize in public health, exercise science, or personal training, and build practical skills to promote wellness, improve lives, and pursue advanced study.
Through our health sciences programs here at FCC, students can complete their associate's degrees, and then they are well situated to transfer, not only within the state of Maryland, but nationally to four-year colleges, where they can then continue their advanced training in a wide variety of healthcare fields.
Our interprofessional education model ensures students in health programs learn together and train as a team across disciplines. This collaborative approach mirrors real-world healthcare and builds vital communication skills for success.
Community college offers anyone of just about any age a bundle of opportunities to get affordable education without costing a fortune.
There's so many different opportunities that you can do just by coming to FCC. They're just endless.
This partnership with FCC allows us to help the students find a potential career path that they can stay within the community where they were raised or where they may have moved to after graduating from high school.
Our dedicated faculty bring years of experience and a passion for teaching. They're here to mentor you, provide personalized support, and help you achieve your career goals.
Most instructors are available, so email, office hours. You have a lot of people who care about you and what you're doing, and they support you. Your classmates, they are basically the only people who really know exactly what it takes. You find that we pick each other up, and so you actually gain this cohort pride, I guess.
We could always use good people to join our organization, and the students coming out of FCC are those good people.